What's up, traders? This is Patkat.trading here for another daily review of the S&P 500. Today's December 5, Monday. Okay, so Monday we closed under the low of Friday, which is a bearish close. And if you watched the previous video, I was pretty much waiting for a break of 4100 for a pullback, and we didn't get that. So it was actually a pretty good setup. We had an ascending triangle here, ascending triangle. We closed Friday like this, so I wasn't really looking for shorts, and I was actually just looking for I was hoping that Monday would push up like this, and once we get the close above, it would be an easy long from 41, targeting for 180 and possible 4200. But obviously we did not get that, and we dumped on Monday and closed under, let's put Monday low. They closed under Monday low, so that's definitely a very bearish close. What I want to do is, since we got a bearish close, I'm gonna look for short-term shorts, and where I want to look for shorts is around here. I still think we can possibly once price dips here, maybe around, this is support again. See how many this has been support for about 3 weeks now. So unless we get a daily close below 39.50, I expect this to be support or maybe push price up again. So I'm looking for something like this, push down, then maybe retest. Whoever bought at this line is going to mitigate there and close their positions. So I'm probably going to be looking for shorts around here, and I know the daily 200 MA is around 40-45. So let's look at lower time frame to see if we can get some structure around there, so we can get better sizing. Nothing much on H1. Okay, I like this wick, buying wick, pullback. Okay, I like this area. So yeah, I like the short. So I'm gonna enter around here, stop loss around this wick, and possibly just target this low. I'm not that bearish, so I'm just gonna take this level by level. Take the short, maybe go to this low. So that's how I'm gonna do this. As for the structure for ES, the reason why I'm not that bearish is basically we are still in this trend line, so it can easily just fake out, and it can easily go back up unless we get a daily close below it. If you look at the previous uptrend, it was around here, and yeah, so pretty much respected it the whole way up, right on, deviated below, went above, deviated, stayed above the trend line, and then when we got to the extremes, we got an order block here, supply, and engulf, then perfect tap, then it dumped. So I'm looking for something similar here. So I just want to be objective and lean bullish as long as we are above this trend line. It's still a rising channel for me, so until we go up here or until this breaks, I'm still leaning bullish, because the best shorts in my opinion is still going to be around here, this demand zone here, and possibly or take this high. So it's very hard for me to look for long shorts, big shorts, and if anything, we could possibly be doing something like this. Let's see this back in October. This was a breakout pattern, closed above here, retested, tried to hold above the line, then collapsed. So people who saw this break, saw the bullish pin bar, had their stops around here. So what happened was, false breakout, broke down, and then took their stops here with a big wick. So if you watch my previous videos, I've been talking non-stop about this demand zone over here. The reason why I like this demand zone over here is because it's the demand zone that broke this short-term downtrend. Well, this downtrend from August. Resistance, pushed down and pushed up. So I've been looking for this. I've been looking at this demand zone for a while now. So what could possibly happen here is we got a breakout pattern, ascending triangle, pushed up, bullish pin bar, tried to hold the breakout, then closed below. So there's going to be a lot of stops here. What I'm looking at is we dip here to 3.8 and then a quick reclaim, and then take out these highs. So I'm still hoping that we get that dip. If we don't, I'm still going to be looking for shorts around 41.80. But I don't think we'll get that. Highly likely that we'll probably dip here. Take this, then hopefully get there. Or it could possibly just be range bound over here until CPI next week. So I really don't know what's going to happen. A lot of the big names, a lot of the large cap names look bearish. So it's very likely that we can possibly dip to 3,800. As for the VIX, is pretty much at the low end, so it could pretty much rally. The XY did a false breakdown here, closed below, pushed up, so it could easily bounce. Gold reversed, took this high, reversed. One thing I'm looking at is possibly, I'm still bullish on gold, and this pullback, I'm still looking at this level as this demand zone over here. So I can time ES longs with a pullback to here for gold. So I definitely have alerts here. So that's what I'm looking at. UJ reacting from this demand zone, but price could reject from here. So a lot of mixed signals, but one thing's for sure, I'm definitely longing 3,800 no matter what happens. So if that happens this week, then that would be nice. if anything, it's either I long 3800 or short 4180. Nothing really has happened with price. We've been stuck in this range since November 11. We pretty much are just stuck in this range. Tried to push up the range. Now we're back here again. It could possibly test the lower end of the range, dip here, then go back up. So as of now, I'm not looking to trade this range, and I'm just looking to play the breakout. One possible scenario is we pretty much just range here, then do a big down move, and then quick reclaim here, and push up. That's what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at new lows until next week, possibly, if we do get new lows. All right, so that's pretty much my outlook for tomorrow. Possibly gonna be a no trade day again for me. I don't trade every day, so I pretty much just wait for my time, and if I see anything, I'll be good to go. But I'll probably take the short, which reminds me, I'll take the short. I'll take it to new low. I'll take it to new local lows. So if this low holds up, then I'll take this. Oh, put the stop here. I usually do 20 points. I like the short, so I'll take that. Aside from that, I won't take any option positions, just this until we hit 3800. All right, good luck tomorrow. Thanks.